FCEL stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm gonna answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video. And just looking and observing FuelCell, I really appreciate this. And like I said before, I was looking to buy it and it absolutely pumped up the next day. Here is the proof, right? Yes. So this was made 4 days back, 4th of June. Again, I'm looking to, it's not gonna be happening. So that's there you go, $5.20. Called it out. And since that call out, I can tell you one certain thing is that I'm looking to just double down like the same way. So here's the top, the new top, got the shift, and it will only make sense if there is a double break. Now I'm not buying. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. And if you also want to stay tuned with FCEL, it's right there, it's free. Goodbye and enjoy.